Good day children. In this video we are going to revise for FA1. So Science 1 measurement lesson will be a portion. So let us revise in this video. So you also join along with me and revise. Children, first we are going to revise. Choose the appropriate answer. First one, which of the following is a derived unit? Options are mass, time, area, length. Answer is area. Mass, time and length are fundamental physical quantities. Area is a derived unit. So which of the following is a derived unit? Area. Second one, which of the following is correct? 1 liter is equal to 1 cc. Option B, 1 liter is equal to 10 cc. Option C, 1 liter is equal to 100 cc. Option D, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. Here cc stands for centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So what is the correct answer? 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. 1 liter is equal to how many cc? 1000 cc. Then the third one, SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Why they have given kilogram per meter cube? The formula for density is mass by volume. Unit of mass is kilogram. Unit of volume is meter cube. So the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Fourth one, light year is a unit of distance. So light year is used to measure the distance in deep space. So light year is a unit of what? Unit of distance. Fifth one, two spheres have equal mass and volume in the ratio 2:1. The ratio of the density is also 2:1 because density formula is mass by volume. So the ratio of the density is also 2:1. Then the second Roman letter is fill in the blanks. First one, 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 to the power of 6 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic meter is equal to how many cubic centimeter? 10 to the power of 6 cubic centimeter. Second one, density of mercury is 13.6 grams per centimeter cube or 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. So any one answer you can write. So what is the density of mercury? In grams per centimeter cube it is 13.6. In kilogram per meter cube it is 13,600. Third one astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. What is the value of one astronomical unit? 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Fourth one, the area of leaf can be measured using a graphical method. So area of irregular shaped object can be measured using graphical method. So what is the method used to measure the area of leaf? Graphical method. Fifth one, volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using law of displacement. So irregularly shaped object volume can be measured using what law? Law of displacement. Third Roman letter is true or false. First one, the region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its volume. Answer is false. Why they have given false? The region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called as area. Second one, volume of liquids can be found using measuring containers. True. So volume of liquid can be measured using what? Measuring containers. Third one, water is denser than kerosene. True. Water is denser than kerosene. Fourth one, a ball of iron floats in mercury. True. Ball of iron floats in mercury. Fifth one, a substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Answer is false. Why they have given as false? A substance which contains more number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Roman letter 4, match the following. Match the following is given as two subdivisions. First subdivision, if you see, they have given the unit. So you should match according to that. First one, area. What is the unit of area? Meter square or square meter. Second one, distance. What is the answer for distance? Light year. Distance in deep space is measured using light year. Third one, density. Unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Fourth one, volume. Unit of volume is meter cube. Unit of volume you can say either as meter cube or cubic meter. Then fifth one, mass. The unit of mass is kilogram. Then second subdivision, first one, area. Answer is plane figure. Second one, length, rope. So why it is given as a rope? Usually rope will be measured using meter. So the unit of length is meter. So the answer is rope. Third one, density, gram per centimeter cube. So the unit of density in CGS, it is gram per centimeter cube. Then fourth one, volume, measuring jar. Usually volume of liquids will be measured using measuring jar. Fifth one, mass, amount of a substance. Fifth Roman letter is arrange the following in correct sequence. Correct sequence means you should arrange in the correct order or in a particular order. First one, 1 liter, 100 cc, 10 liter, 10 cc. So which one should come first? 10 cc, then 100 cc, then 1 liter, then at last 10 liter. Here cc stands for cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Once again I repeat, 10 cc, 100 cc, 1 liter and 10 liter. Second one, copper, aluminium, gold, iron. So all these are metals. So they have arranged according to their atomic number. So first one, aluminium, which has atomic number 13, then iron, atomic number 26, copper, atomic number 29, gold, atomic number 79. So first one, aluminium, iron, copper, gold. Roman letter 6 is use the analogy to fill in the blanks. What do you mean by analogy? Comparison. Comparison between two. So first one, they have given the unit. What is the unit of area? Meter square. So what is the unit of volume? Meter cube. Second one, liquid is measured in liters. Solid is measured in kilogram. Then the third one, water, kerosene. So they have compared the density. So density of water is more when compared to kerosene. Same way, when you compare aluminium, aluminium can be compared with gold. So the density of aluminium is less, density of gold is more. Then Roman letter 7 is assertion and reason type questions. What do you mean by assertion? Assertion means a statement. 4 options are given A, B, C, D. You should check assertion and reason. According to that, you should choose the options. So first one, assertion, volume of stone is found using a measuring cylinder. Reason, stone is an irregularly shaped object. So when you see here, assertion and reason both are true. Usually volume of irregular shaped object will be measured using measuring cylinder. So what is the answer? Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then the second one, assertion, Wood floats in water. Reason, water is a transparent liquid. So here if you see what is the answer given, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here they are comparing the density of water and wood. So the reason must be wood is less denser than water, so it floats. When you compare wood and water density will be more, wood density will be less. So the answer is wood is less denser than water, so it floats. Third one, assertion is iron ball sinks in water. Reason, water is denser than iron. So what is the answer? Option C. Assertion is true but reason is false. So here what should be the reason? Iron is denser than water, so it sinks. So here also they are comparing the density. So when you compare water and iron ball, the density of iron ball will be more when compared to water. So iron ball is denser than water, so it sinks. The next one, give very short answer. In that, what is the first question? Name some of the derived quantities. So already we saw 5 derived quantities. What are they? Area, volume, speed, electric charge and density. Once again I will say some of the derived quantities are area, volume, speed, electric charge and density. Second one, give the value of 1 light year. So what is the value of light year? 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. So 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter will be the value of 1 light year. Third question, write down the formula used to find the volume of a cylinder. So what is the formula to find out the volume of cylinder? Pi into r square into h, or else you can say pi r square h. So what is the value of pi? Value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So r stands for radius. The volume of cylinder formula is pi into r square into height. The next one, give the formula to find the density of objects. So what is the formula to find out density? Density is equal to mass by volume, or else you can say D is equal to m by v. Fifth one, name the liquid in which the iron ball sinks. Water. So here they are comparing the density. So when you compare water and iron ball density is more. So iron ball sinks. Answer is water. Sixth question. Name the unit used to measure the distance between celestial objects. So here you can say light year as well as astronomical unit. So both light year and astronomical unit are used to measure the distance between celestial objects. So in this you can write any one. Last question in very short answer. What is the density of gold? So the value of density of gold is 19,300 kilogram per meter cube. Roman letter 9. Give short answer. First one. What are derived quantities? Answer is all other physical quantities which can be obtained by multiplying, dividing or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Some of the derived quantities and their SI system of units are given in the tabular column. So totally we saw 5 derived quantities. So here they have given only 3. So what are they? Area. What is the formula to find out area? Length into breadth, and the unit is meter square or square meter. Second one, volume. What is the formula to find out volume? Length into breadth into height, and the unit is meter cube. Third one, Density. Formula to find out density is mass by volume and the unit is kilogram per meter cube. Second question, distinguish between volume of liquid and volume of container. Here if you see the answer, they have given as volume of liquid and capacity of container. Volume of container and capacity of the container are same. So what do you mean by capacity of the container? The maximum volume of liquid that a container can hold is known as capacity of the container. Let's see the difference. First one, volume of liquid. In that first point, volume is the space taken up by the object itself. In capacity of container, capacity refers to the amount of substance like a liquid or gas that a container can hold. Then the second point, volume is measured in cubic units. Capacity can be measured in almost every other unit including liters, gallons, pounds, etc. Third one, both solid and hollow objects have volume. Only hollow objects have capacity. Third question, define the density of objects. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume. If the mass of the substance is m and volume is v, then the equation for density is density is equal to mass by volume or d is equal to m by v. Then what is the SI unit of density? Kilogram per meter cube. Fourth one, what is 1 light year? 1 light year is defined as a distance travelled by light in vacuum during the period of 1 year. What is the value of 1 light year? 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. Define 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. What is the value of 1 astronomical unit? 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Sixth question, define area. What is the definition for area? The area of the plot of land is derived by multiplying the length and the breadth. What is the formula to find out area? Area is equal to length into breadth and the unit is meter into meter or meter square. Last question in short answer, define volume. What is the answer? The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. What is the SI unit? Cubic meter or meter cube. Children, we will revise detail. Describe the graphical method to find the area of an irregularly shaped plane figure. Already this was explained very clearly when the lesson was taken. So once again I will say, please listen. So take a leaf from any one of the trees, then place the leaf on the graph sheet. Then what you should do, draw the outline of the leaf with a pencil, then remove the leaf. So you can see the outline of the leaf on the graph sheet. Now what you should do, you should count the number of whole squares enclosed within the outline of the leaf. So that whole square you should consider it as m. Then count the number of square that is more than half. So that you should consider as n. Then next one, you should count the number of square which are half of a whole square. Then that you should consider as p. Finally, you should count the number of squares that are less than half. So that should be considered as q. So now the approximate area of the leaf can be calculated using the formula which is given there. So this method you can use to find out area of regularly shaped figure also. So in case of square, rectangle, so this method gives the measurement accurately. Even this method can be used to calculate the area of any irregularly shaped plane figures. How will you determine the density of a stone using a measuring jar? So first what you should do, you should take a measuring cylinder and pour some water into it. So you should not fill the cylinder fully. Only to a certain extent you should fill it with water. Then you should note down the volume of water from the reading that is given in the measuring cylinder. So that volume you can consider as V1. Then what you should do, you should take a small stone and tie it with the help of a thread. Then immerse the stone inside the water by holding the thread. When you are dropping the stone, you should notice that the stone should not touch the walls of the measuring cylinder. Then the level of the water will rise. So automatically when you drop any heavy objects in the water, what will happen? Due to the weight, what will happen? The water level will rise. So here also the water level will rise. So that you should consider as V2. Then the volume of the stone is equal to the rise in the volume of water. So what is the formula? Volume of stone is equal to V2 minus V1. Why it is given as V2 minus V1? V2 will be the final value. So that final value will be greater. Then V1 will be the initial value. That will be lesser. Next one, mention the 7 fundamental physical quantities and their units. What are the 7 fundamental physical quantities? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. What is the unit of length? Meter. Unit of mass? Kilogram. Unit of time? Seconds. Unit of temperature? Kelvin. Unit of electric current? Ampere. Amount of substance? Mole. Luminous intensity? Candela. The symbol also is given there within brackets. For meter, M. Kilogram, kg. Second, S. Kelvin, K. Ampere, A. Mole, MOL. Candela, CD. Children, when you see this unit, K and A alone is given in capital letter. Why it is given in capital letter? Because whenever you write the symbol for scientist name, that should be written in capital letter. So Kelvin and Ampere is the name of the scientist. Next one, tabulate the area of some regularly shaped figures. Give examples for regularly shaped figures. What are they? Square, rectangle, circle and triangle. Now we will see the formula to find out the area of regular shaped figures. First one, square, what is the formula? Side into side, or A into A square. Rectangle, formula length into breadth, L into B, or LB. Circle, pi into radius, the whole square, or pi into r square, or pi r square. Next one, triangle, formula half into base into height, or half into b into h. Children, this will be the last detail for this lesson. Mention the derived quantities and their units in SI system. First one, area, formula length into breadth, and the unit is m square, meter square. Then volume, formula length into breadth into height, unit m cube or meter cube. Then speed, formula distance by time. Then unit is ms to the power of -1. M stands for meter, S for second. Electric charge formula electric current into time, and the unit is C. C stands for coulomb. Then density formula mass by volume, unit is kilogram, m to the power of -3. Children, we are going to see numerical problems. There are 5 numerical problems in this lesson in your book bag. Let us see one by one. Now we will see the first sum. What is the first sum? A circular disc has a radius 10 centimeter. Find the area of the disc in meter square. So a circular disc is given. So what is the formula to find out area of the circle? Pi r square. So using the formula, let us derive this sum. Radius of circular disc is equal to 10 centimeter. So formula to find out area of circle, area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So now substitute the value. What is the value of pi? Value of pi is 3.14, or you can write 22/7. So this is the value of pi. So now we will substitute this. 3.14 into 10 r square. So radius r into r. 10 into 10. So when you multiply 3.14 into 10 into 10, you will be getting 31400. Then after 2 decimal, you should place the point. So you can remove the 0. So 314 centimeter square. So this centimeter square should be converted into meter square. For that, what you should do? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 314 by 100 into 100. That is equal to 314 into 4 zeros are there. So 10 to the power of 4. When you take this 4 to the numerator, this plus will become minus. Then meter square. So answer is 314 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. So the area of the disc is 314 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Second sum, the dimension of a school playground is 800 meter into 500 meter. Find the area of the ground. So here they have given two measurements. One is length and the other one is breadth. So what formula you will use? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length of the playground is equal to 800 meter. Breadth of the playground is 500 meter. So since they are given length and breadth, obviously it is rectangle. So therefore area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. L stands for length, B stands for breadth. 800 meter into 500 meter. So when you multiply, you will be getting this 40, then 5 8s are 40 meter square. So the area of the playground. Area of the playground is equal to third sum, two spheres of same size are made from copper and iron respectively. Find the ratio between their mass. Density of copper is 8900 kg per meter cube and density of iron is 7800 kg per meter cube. So what is the formula to find out density? Mass by volume. So using the formula, let us derive this. Density is equal to mass by volume. So this meter cube, we will convert this. 1 meter cube is equal to how many cc? 1000 cc. So density of copper is to density of iron. So density of copper is 8900 kilogram per meter cube. 8900 by 1000. So this 1000 cc by 7800 by 1000. So when you divide this by 1000, you will be getting 8.9 is to 7.8. So the ratio of the density is 8.9 is to 7.8. Fourth one, a liquid having a mass of 250 gram fills a space of 1000 cc. Find the density of liquid. So fills a space of 1000 cc is considered as volume. So what is the formula to find out density? Mass by volume. The density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is how much? So here we can write the numbers. Mass is equal to 250 gram and volume is equal to 1000 cc. So 250 gram by 1000. You will be getting 0.25 grams per cc or centimeter cube. Fifth one, a sphere of radius 1 centimeter is made from silver. If the mass of the sphere is 33 gram, find the density of silver. So here they are given only the mass value. We should find the volume to find out density. Because density formula is mass by volume. So before that we should find, using this we should find volume of the sphere. Radius of sphere is equal to 1 centimeter. What is the formula to find out volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the value of pi? 3.14. 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 1 into 1. Multiply and say what is the answer? 12.56 divided by 3, that is equal to 4.187 centimeter cube. Then this is the value of volume. Now what is the mass? Mass is equal to 33 gram. Volume is equal to 4.187 centimeter cube. So density is equal to mass by volume. 33 divided by 4.187. What is the answer you will get when you divide? 7.88 gram per centimeter cube.